Hi there guys, I'm out at the range once again today and I've got the Finnish M39 Mosin with me, and we have a selection of commercial ammunition, and I'm going to fire a group out of each of these at 100 yards to see how they do for accuracy. So I'll show you the rounds as we shoot them. Let's get at it. So first off, we're going to try this MFS 203 grain soft point stuff. This is actually made in Russia, and my experience with it has been that it's not really all that great a ammo, but we'll give it a try out of the Finn to see if it likes it more so than some of the other guns I've tried it in. Anyway. Here is the MFS 203 grain stuff at 100 yards. This is with the sights on the rifle set to the lowest setting, which is 150 meters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is 3 1/4 inches extreme spread. Up next is some old production Ppyou 180 grain soft point. Judging by the lot number on that, I'm thinking it's from 1987. Anyway, still nice and shiny and well stored. So 180 grain soft point in the old Ppyou brass, which has a Cyrillic head stamp. So let's give this a go. Alright, this is the old 180 grain Ppyou. It prints considerably higher than the MFS did, and actually shot worse, which surprises me because usually this stuff shoots better, but could just be me, could just be an old lot of ammo. That is 5 rounds into 3 3/4 inch extreme spread for those ones. The other 4 are in about 2.5 inches. Up next is another box of Ppyou ammo. This is the 150 grain soft point load. This is somewhat newer production. Anyway, we'll give this a try. So this is the 150 grain Ppyou. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Not too bad in the vertical, but the horizontal's quite large. That is 3 7/8 inch. So nothing special there. We've got 4 of them in probably 2.5 inches, but anyway, once again, that's a little disappointing. Next up is this Bell ammo. This is actually made in Bosnia and Herzegovina, and it's 148 grain soft point. There it is there. This stuff is really hot, so let's see how it does. So this is the 148 grain Bell soft point ammo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's 2.5 inches. So a touch better with that stuff, and it's quite hotly loaded. At least anytime in the past I've chronographed it, it has been moving right along at a high speed. Same point of impact as one of the earlier loads there. You can see the previous patches, and the aim point is the bottom of the black bullseye. Alright, next one up is this 150 grain Eggman soft point ammo. Here's the loaded round there. I suspect this is not much different than the 148 grain Bell stuff because I think it comes out of the same factory. Anyway, let's give it a try. So here's the Eggman 150 grain, and it's 2.5 inch extreme spread from that one to that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And they printed a little bit higher up than the Bell stuff did, which is interesting because I thought they'd shoot to just about the same point of aim. Must be a difference in the velocity. According to my notes on this ammo, this stuff is actually weighs 149 grains, and it has a 310 diameter bullet, at least that's what I wrote down on it anyway, with 50.6 grains of extruded powder. So anyway, not bad shooting stuff. Here's the last box ammo I have to test. This is the 182 grain Ppyou full metal jacket boat tail, and here's a loaded round right here. I've always had good luck with this ammo, so I'm curious to see how it does out of the M39 because I don't think I've ever fired any out of the M39. This is the 182 grain Ppyou boat-tailed full metal jacket load. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is 2 1/4 inches. So pretty good. That load has always shot well for me, and it didn't disappoint. Well, I guess that just about does it for this video. Thanks for watching. And this is another interesting kind of little side. This is the back side of the target with the sight set to the same setting for all those shots. So interesting to see the difference in point of impact for those rounds. There's a couple that were off the top there, but anyway, once again, thanks for watching. Always appreciate any comments, and rate the video and all that stuff. It helps out, and we'll see you in the next one.